guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well, and welcome back to this spring garden clean with me. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I thought I'd share with you guys what I've been up to in the garden, and also how we transformed the back of our garden into a beautiful flower bed, and what I've been planting in there as well. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into the video. Just lately I've been obsessed with going to garden centres and picking up flowers and shrubs that have been on my wish list for our flower bed. This time of year is the perfect time to visit as there's so much colour and variety. Okay, so let me show you down the bottom of our back garden. This is how it's looking currently, and then this is how it looked originally. We just had a small long section along the back fence, but we decided to take out the sleepers, which was a big job in itself. But when we finally got them out, we wanted to give it more shape and character and just dig out a larger, like curvier area to house beautiful flowers and shrubs that will eventually build up and merge together, hopefully. I'm no gardening expert, but I do pick up tips and tricks from YouTube and TikTok, and I have a whole Pinterest board dedicated to pictures of certain plants and flowers I would love to plant at the back. So how I've been maintaining this area is by turning over the soil and pulling out the weeds, as well as adding more nutritious compost and mulch, as the soil in this area wasn't the best. I've also been keeping on top of trimming the edges of the grass and digging down to neaten this area up and just maintain the shape. The plants I've been growing in the large bed are my favourite hydrangeas, ferns. We also have a blossom tree at the back in the corner, a camellia, fuchsia and rosebush, as well as some other shrubs to fill in gaps. We also planted a stunning Acer too, and I think generally I would like to stick to rose bushes, more different coloured hydrangeas, some green shrubs and a couple of fuchsias to fill the rest of the bed. Then in the vegetable garden we recently planted a magnolia bush, and I did my first hanging basket which has the silver green leggy plant I picked up from the garden centre and some trailing fuchsias. I can't wait to see how this hanging basket will bloom over the summer months. And then the vegetable patch, I am growing a lot of strawberries this year, as well as potatoes again, and I'm trying out garlic for the first time. I also want to make the far right bed a herb garden, but I am going to be planting the mint separately this year. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I hope you all have a wonderful long weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.